Welcome everybody. This is an interesting question. Foremost, we need a circle. So a circle is drawn. Okay. So after which we need to draw a triangle. So this is the triangle and this is the center for the circle. So let me take this point as A, B, C. This is 13, this distance is 14, and this 15. This distance is 15. Now this is the shaded region that we need to get. So for getting that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line like this. This is to the center O. Obviously that's going to be the radii, and connect this. So this is a sector. I'm creating a sector. So the required area, of course this is capital R, this is capital R. It's a circumradius. So the required area is nothing but area of the sector. So from the sector area, I take away the area of the triangle. Okay, the triangle is AOC. So foremost, we need to get R. This is required, right? Okay. Now to get this, we need to get the area of the triangle. Area of triangle ABC. For that we will use the Aaron's formula. Aaron's formula, which is square root of S into S negative A, S negative B, S negative C, where S is equal to A positive B positive C divided by 2. A is 13, B is 14, C is 15. So S is equal to 13 positive 14 positive 15 divided by 2. 13 added with 14 will give me 27, added with 15 will give me 42. So 42 over 2 will give me 21. So S is equal to 21. So now let me find S negative A, which is 21 negative 13. That is going to give me 8. S negative B is 21 negative 14. That's going to give me 7. S negative C is 21 negative 15. That's going to give me 6. So therefore area of the triangle is equal to root of 21 times 8 times 7 times 6 times. So this is equal to 21 times 8, 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 16, multiplied with 7, 56, 5, 6 sevens are 42, 5, 47, 4, 11, multiplied with 6, 6, 6 are 36, 3, 42, 45, 4, 10, 1, 7, 7056. So square root of 7056, if you take the square root of 7056, 84. So 84, area of triangle ABC is 84 square units. Okay, that is fine. Now circumradius is ABC divided by 4 times the triangle area. So A is 13, 14 and 15. BC 4 times of 84. Okay, so 2 divides here, 2 times 2 divides here 7 times. 7 divides here once and 2. 12 times. 3 divides here 4 times, 3 divides here 5 times. So you have 13 times 5 divided by 2 times 4, 18. So 65 over 8. This is radius R. Circumradius 65 over 8. Now, area of triangle. Let me show you. Area of triangle AOC is half times OA times OC times sine of this angle theta. I need to get sine of this angle theta. Okay, so for that I need to get this angle at B, right? Angle at B, I will call this as small c, because angle at the circumference. Why am I calling this as small c? Because theta is equal to 2 times small c. This is a very important theorem. So what is the theorem? The angle at the center equals twice the angle at the circumference. Okay, are you following me? So theta is equal to 2 times c. So if I get c, I will be able to get theta. So that is the basic concept that we will have to employ. So let us apply the cosine rule. I'm going to apply the cosine rule for 13 and 14. So cosine of the angle, right? So it's going to be cos of small c is equal to 13 squared plus 14 squared negative the side opposite is 15 squared. 15 squared divided by 2 times of 13 times 14. So this is 169, this is 196, this is 225, 2 times of 13 into 14. So 169, 196, 15, 110, 16 and 1, 365. From 365 you take away 225, 0, 140. So you get 140, 2 times of 13 times 14, 2 divides here 70 times, 7 divides here 10 times, 7 divides here 2 times, 2 divides here 5 times. So you have 5 over 13. So cos of small c is equal to 5 over 13. Therefore c, small c is equal to cos inverse of 5 over 13. Okay, this is what we have got. So now the question is, this is small c. So therefore what is theta? Therefore theta is equal to 2 times small c, which is 2 times of cos inverse of 5 over 13. So this is theta. Okay. Okay, fair enough. We have got theta. We have got that. So now there is one more information. So area of triangle. What is the area of triangle? AOC. AOC is half times AO multiplied with OC. Right, then sine of theta. Multiplied with sine of theta. This is the formula. Now this and this we know is going to be radius squared. Theta is 2c, but sine 2c is 2 times sine c times cos c, right? So this is 1 over 2 times r squared times 2 times of sine c times cos c. 2 gets cancelled, which is nothing but r squared times sine c times cos c. Okay, but cos c is 5 over 13. So therefore what is sine c? Now sine squared c plus cos squared c is 1. Sine squared c is 1 negative cos squared c. which is nothing but 1 negative 5 squared is 25 over 13 squared, 169. So 169 minus 2225 divided by 169. So what do you get? From 169 you take away 25, you get 144. So 144 divided by 169 is what? Sine squared c. But sine c is what? Sine c is root of 144 divided by 169. But what is this value? 12 over 13. So therefore sine c is what? 12 over 13. Fair enough, right? So you need to substitute all of this over here. So therefore area of triangle AOC is r squared times sine c times cos c. R squared, what is the value of r squared we get? 65 over 8. 65 squared over 8 squared. Sine c, what is the value of sine c? 12 over 13. What is the value of cos c? 5 over 13. Okay, so we have to get this value. So this is we have to make some reduction. So I'm going to use calculator. 65 squared. 65 squared. It's 4225. This is going to give me 60. So I multiply by 60. This is 253500. Fair enough. 8 squared is 64. And 12 into 13. So 64 times 12 times 13. 9984. So you have 253500. 9984. What is this? This is area of the triangle AOC. Now we need to get the sector area. Sector area is going to be 1 over 2 r squared times theta. So 1 over 2, 65, not is it 65 over 8 r squared, 65 over 8 square theta. Theta is 2 times c. This is the value. So 2 times cos inverse of 5 over 13. 2 gets cancelled, so you have 65 squared over 8 squared times cos inverse of 5 over 13. So you need to get that value. Now you need to get this value, cos inverse of 5 over 13. So you use a calculator. Cos inverse of 5 divided by 13. That's 67.4, but we can't use this value. We have to convert it into radian. So 67.4, you have to multiply it by 0.01745. So 0.01745. So this is going to be equal to 65 squared over 8 squared multiplied with 1.1758, right? So that is going to give me 65 squared 4225 multiplied with 1.1758. So this is divided by 64 because 8 squared. So this entire thing is 77.6212. Okay, that's a value. So this is a sector area. Now from this sector area we will have to take this out. So 253500 divided by 9984. So this is 25.3906, right? So required area required shaded region is equal to 77.6212 to 25.3906. This is equal to 52.2306 square units. So this is the shaded region area. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe. And this is a lovely question, and that is the right place for us to stop and move on. Thank you.